Using change of order of integration, this integral is equal to which one option? As this integral is given to us, integral is y equal to x2 root 2 minus x square f of xy dy dx, and limit of x is from 0 to 1. We have to change this limit as x is involved here. So this is the limit of y equal to x, and y equal to square root of 2 minus x square. This represent upper half circle. So upper half circle is this one portion. You can consider. Now this is origin 0 0, and the radius of circle is root 2. This is the equation y equal to x of line. Now first we have to find common region between two limits and curve. As x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, and y is y equal to x and y equal to square root of 2 minus x square. So find first region between two curves. So line and part of circle, if you consider this region, then limit of x-axis is from 0 to 1. So this portion is not coming in this portion. So this is not required portion. Means all this one is not required portion. So required portion is this one. I make another figure to clear the concept. This is required region. Now we have to take integration over this region. So cut the area at this stage. So we have to take integration first with respect to x. So cut a strip along x-axis, because of when we take a strip along x-axis, then length of the strip change as we change or vary from y-axis to x-axis along x-axis. So limit of this one is 0 to at this line, because strip is touching at this line. So y equal to x, or you can say x equal to y, and variable limit, constant limit of this one is from this height, so 0 to 1, plus you can write f of xy dx dy, plus now second region is this one. So limit of x1, limit of x vary from 1 to, if you cut the strip as this one parallel to x-axis, then 0 to and touching part of the circle. So in terms of y, right, this is square, and limit is from 1 to root 2. Write f of xy dx dy. Now which one option is giving this answer? We see that. So option D is correct here, 0 to 1, and x is running from, this is 0 to y. This is 0 to y here, and this is 1 to root 2 and 0 to 2 minus y square. This is perfect. Option D is correct answer.